Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Blessed Week Tarot and Guidance. Today I am going to do a love reading for the zodiac sign Virgo. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Virgo, you can refer to this reading. And this is going to be a timeless reading. So you can refer to this reading at any point of time of any month or any year. There will be no time restriction or time constraint. And also please watch this reading till end, because at the end of this reading I will pull few guidance cards from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Here I am giving the final shuffle, this one. Okay, Divine, please guide me regarding the love life of Virgo zodiac sign. Almost done. Okay, Virgo, current situation. 10 of Cups. Wow. Challenges the devil. Recent past, Ace of Pentacles. Sorry, distant past is Ace of Pentacles. Recent past is Knight of Wands. Future outcome. The outcome possibility is 3 of Cups. Near future is 5 of Swords. More about you is 9 of Pentacles. More about the situation is Queen of Cups. Your fear or hope is Ace of Swords. And the outcome, final outcome is 6 of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo, for your current situation we got 10 of Cups. This is a very beautiful card, which says that currently you are leading a very emotionally contained, financially fulfilled life. You have a good social life, you are financially stable, you have harmony all over around you, and overall your life is good. You are so content. And the challenges is the devil. Sometimes you become very obsessive or addicted towards your partner, because this is a love reading. And also you are going through such a very great time. Okay, currently you are dealing with the great time of your life. So you feel, you become very possessive. You want to hold tightly this timing. Okay, you want to control the things. You don't want this time would change in future. Okay, so this is the challenges, your obsessiveness, your possessiveness. And for your distant past we got Ace of Pentacles. It shows that in the past you started some new venture, you started some financial ventures which would bring you good amount of money. Okay, and through this financial venture you got your love life also done. You got your love of your life, like you become financially stable. And for recent past also we got Knight of Wands, which shows that in recent past also you were chasing your goals passionately. So something you started in the recent past and you achieved those goals, and the result is here. The result is this 10 of Cups, a fulfilled financial stable life. So past is also good for you, Virgo. You started something new financially, some new investment, or probably a new job you started, which made you financially stable. Also, you got the love of your life. Might be some of you got married and have a family, and possibility is there. Three of Cups, this card is says about community celebrations, festivals. So chances are there in future you will have all these things: celebrations, festivals, good social life. Okay, so possibility is also good for you, Virgo. But in near future, I am seeing that Five of Swords. This is a bit stressful card for you, Virgo. Like it shows that some past issue might come back to you, and you will start stressing out about that. You will become anxious about the issue. Something or somebody will leave you accidentally, will leave you suddenly. Okay, and which you were not expected. You didn't expect that this would happen, but something would happen in future, that something will leave you or somebody will leave you, and you become very stressed and anxious about that. Okay, Virgo. And more about you is nine of Pentacles. This card says about you that you are financially stable, you are happy lucky kind of person, you are content, satisfied, you are enjoying your life. Here nine of Pentacles, here 10 of Pentacles. Life is good for you, Virgo, I can see. And there is a card for more about the situation is Queen of Cups. This card says that somebody is there around you, a woman who is very emotional about you. Might be someone is waiting for you, probably your partner, because this is a love reading. But in your circle you have someone, significant lady, who is very emotional, and she has a significant role in your life, and probably she is waiting for you. She always do overthinking about you, and yeah, she has a lot of love, care and affection for you. This is your surrounding situation. Now you identify who is she. Is she your mother? Is she your lover? Because chances are more that she is your lover, because this is a love spread. Okay, so your hopes and fears is Ace of Swords. This card says that victory, triumph, success, new beginnings and clarity of mind. So for your future you think that everything will be very good for you, means you will have a very good life with your partner, and you believe in starting new things, and you know that whatever you start you will succeed in that. So for some people it will be like restarting a relationship with your existing partner. Like might be something has become dull in between you. You are thinking to bring some spark into your relationship, and that is possible, and you are hopeful about that new beginning is possible. Might be your partner is waiting here with a cup of love, and you are making money since a long time, so that you can give her commitment, and you hope for a new beginning, and you have a clear mind, clarity of mind, a clear picture about that, what all you want to do with your life, with your partner, how you want to take forward your life. You are completely clear about that. You have a plan, and you know that you will be successful, okay, in your new venture, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a financial investment or new career, you will do good. And with this final outcome card, we got Six of Pentacles. This card talks about means spending your hard-earned money on your loved ones. Probably whatever you are doing all here means you are taking your career forward, you are making money so that you can have a blissful life with your partner, and that's going to happen in the near future. That's going to happen in near future. You will have now also you have a lot of money, and you will earn that much money that you can spend a part of your money on your loved ones, or specifically on your love partner. So definitely a very good time is there for you, Virgo. So now, Virgo, let's take a few guidances. This is a very positive spread, Virgo. Divine, please guide me. What advice comes for Virgo? A time to release negativity. Okay, I saw this is the negativity only, because you want to hold the time tightly, because there is a good time, and you are kind of bit fearful that this time should not change. But change is the only constant in our life, right? Don't try to control anything. This devil thing is the negativity, I feel, and the guidance came as it's time to release negativity. Okay, and the next guidance for you is take time to breathe out. Probably you are working, you are overworking, so the guidance is take breaks in between. Balance spirituality and practicality. Yes, here I didn't get a single spiritual card. So everything, most of the cards are all about money. Pentacle cards are more. So the divine is saying that you need to be little spiritual also in this situation. A very beautiful reading for you, Virgo. So this is all about your reading, Virgo. I hope you liked the reading. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel for more readings. Till then, keep smiling, count your blessings. God bless you. Bye-bye.